Hi there. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 7 mind-blowing ChatGPT tricks to get your work done faster. So the first trick is how to efficiently prioritize your tasks with ChatGPT to get work done faster. So let's see what ChatGPT has to say about this. I gave it the prompt. I'm a digital marketing manager at an edtech company. Give me 10 tips to prioritize my tasks efficiently at work. So ChatGPT has given us the answer, and it says the first thing to do is to set clear goals, to use a task management system, prioritize urgent and important tasks, time blocking, and so many more. So you can go through this and see how you can do these things to prioritize your tasks efficiently and to get work done faster. The second trick we're going to be looking at is how to manage your time for maximum productivity. So managing your time is one of the hardest things to do, and ChatGPT has given us some tips on how to do that. So it tells us that in order to manage our time effectively, we need to prioritize tasks, we need to create a to-do list, set clear goals, limit distractions, batch similar tasks, use the Pomodoro technique, and so many more. Let's see what the third trick is. So the third trick is how to set smart goals. So smart goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. They're a very important way to set goals in order to achieve them. And we've asked ChatGPT to give us tips to set smart goals at work to achieve maximum productivity. So ChatGPT says that we need to clearly define our goal and ask ourselves the who, what, where, when, and why to ensure specificity. So the second is we need to establish concrete criteria for measuring our progress and determining when we've achieved the goal. So basically, it gives us a lot of tips in order to set smart goals. So the fourth trick is how to automate and delegate tasks to save time and boost efficiency. So in order to save time at work, you need to be able to automate your tasks. You need to be able to delegate tasks. If you don't do these things, then it's going to be difficult for you to get your tasks done faster. So we've asked ChatGPT what to do in that respect, and it says automating and delegating tasks can significantly enhance efficiency and productivity in your role. So it gives us advice that says we should identify repetitive tasks, leverage automation tools, and so many more. So basically, the prompt we use for this is give me advice on how to effectively automate and delegate tasks at my job. So you can use it as well and see what results it gives you. So the fifth secret is how to minimize distractions and stay focused. So we asked ChatGPT with this prompt saying, I need your advice on how to eliminate distractions that cause me to have low productivity. Also, give me advice on how to stay focused and increase my productivity. So ChatGPT has given us advice on how to eliminate distractions. It tells us to create a dedicated workspace, turn off notifications, set boundaries, use website blockers, implement a do not disturb policy. It also gives us other tips for staying focused. You can just replicate these and see what it gives you. So it's very important that at the beginning you specify the kind of job you're doing and your role. It probably give you more focused results than if you just give it general a general prompt. So the sixth trick is how to optimize your workspace to improve productivity. So it's very important to have the right work environment in order to do your best work. If you have a work environment that it doesn't look good, or is hot or too cold, or it just doesn't give you the environment to be your best, then it can be a very big issue. So we basically asked ChatGPT, I want to have the right work environment to boost my productivity. Can you share tips on how to optimize my workspace for better productivity? So it tells us how to optimize our physical workspace by having comfortable seating, having proper lighting, an organized desk, and so many more. It also tells us how to optimize our digital workspace because that's very important as well. It tells us to have organized digital files, have a computer desktop declutter, have a backup system. Even gave us tips for ergonomics and personal well-being. This is really good. So the last and seventh trick is how to effectively incorporate breaks and mindfulness into work routines. So I've read that mindfulness can help, is a form of therapy that can help you become more productive, can help you basically just have better quality of life. So, with this prompt I just said, I read that taking breaks and practicing mindfulness are essential for maintaining productivity levels. Can you offer me some tips on how I can incorporate this into my workday? And ChatGPT says, it tells us how to schedule regular breaks, that we should move and stretch, we should have an eye relaxation exercise, hydrate and snack. With mindfulness, it tells us to have short sessions, use apps like Headspace or Calm, have mindful walking, mindful rituals, mindful check-ins, and so many more. So it also gives us integration tips. So those are the 7 tricks that you can use to get your work done faster. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and bye.